Way to stop it. Way to stop it. Way to get there with it. Good hit. Good hit. That was good. Very good. All right. That was good defense. Take your time, Lucas. That's a good hit, man. Good hit. Here we go. Comes out like Murphy. That's a good try, man. That one came through pretty quick. All right, Tucker. Be a hitter. That's all right, Tucker. That's all right. Let's do it, man. Come a little bit closer. Right there. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Good, good, good. Run on down, run on down, run on down. Good job, good job, good job. Good stop, 37. That's good, guys, good. All right, Colson. You a hitter. Good swing. That's okay. Run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it. Good catch. Good catch. Good catch. That was great. All right, Neil. Bryant. 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 Get down. Run it, Neil. Go, go. Run the second, run the second, run the second. Good hit. It's good fielding. Good fielding. All right, Joel. Good hit, Joel. Good stop. Good stop, 37. Good stop. Good catch, good catch. That's good fielding. Very good fielding. That was good. Yes, that's the way I want you to hit it all the time. Get ready to run. Get ready to run. Because when Blake hits, you got to go. Is Blake last batter? Coach, last batter. Get ready. I want you to keep running. Nope, nope, nope. Wait, wait, wait. Yeah, I want you to run all the way around. Neil, and get ready to run.
All the way around.
Mm-hmm. All the way. Touch every base and run all the way to home plate.
You mean that?
You run that way, but you know what I'm talking about. Run, go, go. Here we go, Blake. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good job. Good job. Marlins, that was great.